Hello friends and loved ones, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make my classic palmnut soup. Yes, and today we are going to enjoy with authentic Ghanaian konkonte, aka face the wall. It is almost weekend and I really want to share this recipe with you, so please come and let's start cooking. Alright friends, first we're going to start steaming our meat, and you can use any preferred meat of your choice. So after you add your meat, just go ahead and start seasoning your meat. You can use any spices of your choice as well. I'm using whatever I have here in my pantry, and that is listed in the video. So after you add your salt, just go ahead and add ginger roots. I like to add ginger root because it brings extra flavor to the soup, and yeah, try that. Next, I just blend ginger, garlic and onion, and I'm going to add that as well. Alright, so after that, go ahead and add your fresh tomatoes and also add your pepper. You cannot forget that, okay? And also next you can add your onion. So I'm using just half. Let's cover it and then have it steam for about 20 minutes, and then get your palm cream ready. So this is my favorite palm cream that I usually use all the time, and I really like it. So after you transferred everything in there, just get your hot water ready and then add it in there. So this way it helps, the cream melted really fast, and when you mix it, it is so easy to combine. Yeah, and that is how we like it. So depending the consistency or the texture that you like, I like my soup in the medium way, not too light and not too thick. So just go ahead and transfer that into the soup. But before, just make sure that you remove your cooked tomatoes, onion and pepper before you transfer your palm cream. Everything smells so nice. I wish you guys are here to smell this. In fact, this recipe dear, I want everyone to try. We always use the easiest ingredient that you can get to prepare this deliciousness right here. So next we have our strainer and everything ready. Just go ahead, and add your soup. Yeah, like I said, if you want it too thick, you can, add less water. But if you prefer, light soup, you can just add more water in here. So after we add everything, I'm going to add my fresh crab. So I've already cleaned everything, as you can tell. It's looking very nice, and then I'm adding it in there. You can add snails if that is what you have. Just go ahead, or you can even add both. Next, I'm adding here my mushroom because I really like mushrooms in palm soup. Yes, so let's cover it and then have it cook for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, go ahead and blend your cooked tomato, onion and pepper, and this is the best time to add it into your soup. Give it a very quick stir, and then leave it on the stove and then let it cook slowly. So at this point, you can just lower your heat so it can sit and cook really well. Not to cook too fast. Also, Nkwan a pink kama, so the beya a beya de or huna emle and I am main a ruja. We don't like that. So at this point, the soup is looking very nice. It's almost done. It smells really good. And next, I'm going to add my zucchini. Or if you preferred summer squash, you can add that as well. Or if you are in Ghana and you have garden eggs, you can throw a few of them in there. Yes, it looks very nice and it tastes really delicious. But if you don't have, you don't like vegetables, you can skip this part. Yeah, so leave it to cook and let's get ready and prepare our konkonte. So this is the konkonte that I usually make at home. This is the one that I can find, that is the only option right here or where I am. But if you can make it fresh at home, you are blessed. Alright friends, so our soup is doing really well. So I'm going to throw a few spinach in here. This is an optional, but if you are in Ghana and you can't get spinach, you can cut some few cocoyam leaves, aka Nkontomre, and it will taste so divine. Or if you know any herbs that you feel like you want to add, just feel free and add them. Yeah, it is your soup. You are really going to enjoy yourself, and then you just leave it to boil for about 25 minutes and your soup will be ready. So meanwhile, our konkonte is done and it's about to go down. Yes, aka konkonte face the wall, come out reverse, whatever you call it, it is done. So it is time to dish it out, and then I can't wait to eat this recipe. Me say Nkwan dear, I kama. Nkwan we me say udi a obese di bi. We be mad of they will really enjoy it and they will keep craving for more. This is how we prepare authentic palm nut soup. And also, you know what I really like to enjoy with my konkonte? Nkruma, okro, yes, papani bini. If you add this, it makes the food so complete, easy to swallow, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Look at me now. I'm really enjoying that food though. Konkonte versus palm nut soup and nkruma, that is the best combination. Try this recipe, and then until I see you again, stay safe, stay joyful, and don't forget to share this recipe as well. I hope you enjoy. Bye bye.